Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us.
In this video you will see cylindrical grinder machine heavy duty, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, Kamenicek, model, 401,500, type of machine, cylindrical grinder machine heavy duty, maximum OD is 400 millimeters, maximum ABC is 1,500 millimeters.
Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website, www.jkgears.com.